Hi guys, me Misha. Sorry, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see how the markets move today. Oh my gosh, my hair. um, yeah, everything booms. Yeah, except maybe small caps. Everything looks good. Russian stocks are, I think they're good, and that's not how the waves are born, anyways. So I'll keep it for now, but it doesn't look like a breakdown anymore. So the wave corrected. I'll show you. That's not how a wave corrects. Like 90%, so it's more like this now. Yeah. This was deadly wrong. I realized it just yesterday. It's by a book. If correction gives you bigger volume than any volume of the trend, now it works. And I knew it. I knew it for a long time now. And you see, when you're in the moment, I was like, yeah. Oh, I'm paying my price. IPG revives. We'll see where it goes with all this. Buzzer breaks. Yeah. This looks reassuring. This one right here. It's more like an exhaustion. Is it? I think so, yeah. This bar looks reassuring. I'm done though, premature entry. I would have been buying here after this break, but I disqualified myself. Pfizer doesn't go, and check out how it goes against the general market trajectory. Wow. It resumes sales with the bigger volume. Does it want to go to this level? Possible. 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 Boom. Yeah, just go short. Tries to revive here. Tries to revive here. Yeah, this is weird. Yeah, Pfizer is not doing that great. Great. It looks like his strength is this guy, and then weakness. But then there was a 2-bar spring and it didn't go. And it's far. It's far. Hey, why does it show? Oh, I'm still in the straight. Okay. Yeah, that's true. This guy. Intel plug. Plug looks like it's one to go. I'm not gonna trade it though. I'd buy more here. And by the way. Yeah. So it's really this now. I'd buy more. It's in 0.5, but that was the move from 0.5, I think. Doesn't break though, that's alarming. And probably this 2-bar spring will need a test. The volume is beautiful though. Yeah, like the Fjord looks way better than Pfizer as of now. I'd buy more from here. That's a good volume though. That it's unclear what is the sign of strength here. Well, this guy match, so we can just put it here. Yeah, I would love it to correct here. For real. For real. Yeah, you gotta do something, Pfizer. You are bearish. You gotta do something. You gotta pull it together, Pfizer. I hope my German friends are not offended that I'm calling Pfizer Scheiser. It's very bad of me. It's just I can't help it. And when you curse in foreign language, it doesn't feel that bad, does it? But probably it's like super unsmart of me to do that. So I'm sorry. Yeah, this break is not trustworthy. But anyhow, that wasn't the point. Roku. Nike. It would be interesting if Pfizer will take off once the rest of the stocks will cool down. Okay, so it's at this level right now. I'll call it a balance, and it goes into this volume level, which is very attractive. That's how it started, and then went down, and then it died, and like my bearish volume. Let's keep an eye on this guy. We don't need this on minutes though. Yeah, thank you. But on daily, I'd rather have it come here. I'm not saying it will. You see volume. Good job breaking even. I broke even here, like the one I entered by mistake. Would have it worked? Would have it worked? I entered it like this. It would have worked, but bad trade. Just telling you. Bad trade. I have 2 words for you, Misha. Bad trade. But I didn't put it out there because, like, once I entered, I was like, I immediately knew, well, this is wrong. And also what I've noticed, again, like, I was hurrying because it was like right there on the fingertips when I noticed it. And I should not enter trades like this. It's a good volume distribution. Boom, 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 boom. However, after this guy, still be very skeptical. Still be very skeptical. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go. Oops. This guy tries to do a little something. You see, ever since we got this level, it's like, and it's not quite hit the 0.5, so it can go here and then take off. Yeah. This guy does a nice accumulation here in 0.5. Is the biggest level and right volume distribution. See the volume? And it's very high. So yeah. Boom. This didn't go either. Oh, I'm sorry. This didn't go either. I'm doing Dracula right now in the theater, and instead of either neither, I say either neither. I don't know. I find it like more flavor in it. Wow. Look at this. It's definitely in a balance right now. So the volume is good. You see there was no volume here. Well, no, there was volume here, but it wasn't a break. Yeah. There is a trade-off. There is a trick here. Is it really? That's a weird volume. This was unvolumed, so yeah. Pum pum pum. So yeah, and this doesn't look good. So it bounced from 0.5, but yeah, you have to be skeptical. And look at this drop. Look at this drop. Let's keep it open, but ooh, super skeptical. Ooh, super duper skeptical. This old guy. Oh, O'Reilly. Weird. Technically, yeah, it's here. Technically. And one can argue there's like a strength and now like, wow. Wow. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah. IBM goes. How far will it go? That's the 21st of March. The weird volume day. Okay, so it's at the test level right now as we speak. Yes, on daily we'd need a test. If it gives us a test, it's okay to buy. It's high on yearly, of course, it's scary, but monthly looks good. There's no exhaustion volume up here. There is exhaustion volume here. Volume build up is weird too, but it's monthly level, so you see, this doesn't look like a correction to this movement. To this, yeah, you see, boom, boom, and some volume in the middle. So in the long term, I'd say that this is more realistic scenario. Let me show where it is on yearly. We do wave, volume, and bar analysis. This is volume analysis. Boom, boom, and volume in the middle. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, this being a sign of strength, and this being the test of sign of strength. Gotta be super duper careful. Volume in the beginning, volume in the middle, volume in the end. And again, biggest volume on the correction. It's not that biggest, but aka magnet on daily. Boom, biggest volume in correction. Yeah, gotta be careful about this guy. And it's a break now. FedEx. Now tell me it's gonna go up again. just ruined me. Just ruined me. This is not that biggest volume, so this looks better to me. But I just don't know what to do with all this. What to do is all in any of this bite from here. It can go. This guy, I don't think it has any rules at this point. And there are always going to be stocks like this, which just defy the gravity, defy any logic. And it's the part of system, strategy, trading, to let them happen. To let them happen. Oh, this also is a sign of strength. No, it has the spread smaller than the previous bar. And this also. Yeah, I don't think this qualifies. So only this guy really qualifies for a sign of strength. Yeah. Nike. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing here. Yeah, this was wobbly. What a fun. If it nicely like. But again, look at this. But 20. No, it's not the 24th. It's 21st at 24th. I was gonna say if it springs here nicely. Maybe not. Maybe not. Gotta be careful. This was clear trade to R. The rest is arbitrary. What's going on here? 21st. Yeah, that's a beautiful volume, but this volume needs a and you see it's not that biggest volume of this movement. There's bigger volume in the middle. Oh, it's right there in this volume. And the bigger volume in the beginning. Eight to 17, 10 years. 17 to 25. 8 years. So time-wise, it doesn't look like it's the same time. It took it the same time to get up here and then correct to 0.5. So yeah, even vice versa. Oh no, it makes sense. So it took it 4 years to get up here from 12 to 17. 5 years to get up here, and from 17 to 25th it just started. 4 and 7 years to get down. Yeah. No, everything checks out, just like we don't have monthly levels, so I'm still watching it on daily for an exhaustion volume like this, which might have been a technical volume. But yeah, keep an eye. Comcast goes. That might have been an accident, and then boom, perfect spring buy just from here. But that was like scary. Volume was scary. Yeah. Yeah. Buy from here. We're going to the moon. Nope. We are not. Which is good and proves the point. So this is a beautiful volume, but it needs to can go here. This can be the middle. And look, there's not much exhaustion volume here. Everything looked ducky. Beginning, middle. This doesn't look like an end at all. This looks like an end. If you can see my cursor. So yeah, correcting to the year level where 0.5 is. You remember how I was like howling about this? There was an entry here, so like week to R and that's it. Look at this. Absolutely unwilling to just like, look. Oh la la. Was this Monday gap a bullish trap? On the market? That's weird. 863, 8. So technically it didn't renew the level, but practically. Yeah. Gotta be careful these days. Yeah, automatic rally begins, it will close the gap. I just don't know how to measure the gap properly, this or this. It was gap and go that didn't go. This little buyers here, but all the bears, it was gap with retest. All the bears here were happy. Not me though, because I can't. Volume. Yeah. It's in correction right now, which can officially go. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Well, this level doesn't make any sense. But that's the only bar that qualifies for sign of strength. That qualifies for sign of strength. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna ever go there, but just for clarity, look what it's been doing ever since 2008. So I don't think it's a great candidate. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this like what happened in 2020. Look, 2020 is a history now. It seems like it's been yesterday to me. You see sign of strength and then weakness, and then it did the move from 0.5, but this volume is also weird. And definitely this volume and correction. Again, same. It's the same lesson again and again and again. Yeah, it went, tested the volume, just buy from here. No, also, even if I start charging like this, we can, after such volume, that totally looks like an exhaustion. Yeah, for the entire shebang. The entire shebang. That was valid to like say, hey, I'm gonna see it like this. But no entries. Like absolutely no entries other than I'm like hallucinating right now, but like this. And it was a 0.5, sure enough. And you don't belong to months. Something of this nature. This is stretched, so that's not how it works. But like super duper technically, at least I can see the logic of what's going on. There's a strong impulse. Super strong impulse. There is a correction to 0.5. Then forms test level, that's last bar of the day, then volume spring. This type of deal. That would be confusing that it goes beyond on the level of an hourly, but when you see how much volume happened here. But yeah, even more so if you duck on 5 minutes and see what was going on here. On volume spring, and so boom boom boom. Yeah, not much in 5 minutes, but yeah, so this was doable, definitely. And now it's gone. It's done and gone. Where's the biggest volume? There is no biggest volume. Yeah. This is how it played out. There was a little trade here, risky, but considering the volume, okay. XLB. 0.5. So look at this 0.5. It's not even annual. 0.5 is here, my friends. And even this is arbitrary because maybe it's here. Yeah, why? Hold on. 1 bar rule. There was a balance. 1 bar rule, 1 bar rule. Oh, yeah, because it did go higher here. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, this may be the case. Easily. Easily. Wait. I wanna see that on days too. Yeah. Please, can I see on days too? And why did I decide? Yeah, because it looks like one impulse. Yeah. It's an exhaustion and 0.5 and 21st of March, of course, which is like a bunch of weird volume counter trend. So just take it like for 2 hours. There's no test. I don't think so, and it closed below. And it's not even the biggest volume. It's like one of the biggest for sure. It's like very, very significant. And you can say it's the, yeah, you can, yeah, it's the biggest shit. The volume on hour checks out. How do you buy it from here? Like this, here. Let's see the 5 minutes. And you see, it wasn't even like such a dramatic volume. It started later. It started from here. Boom. No, last volume of the day. Yeah, no, it's weird. It's weird. It'll happen all that time. Okay. It'll happen all that time. Wait, I have a online course today. Yeah. Oh, I have something starting in 10 minutes. Good thing I glanced. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Gotta go. I have a meeting. Google. Jets. GM. It went. Absolutely bounced from here and went up. General Motors. Amazon went. Target, not so much. Yeah, Gazprom is doing it. You see here, I was able to identify, even though it's 0.5, but I was like, not because of the big volume, but just like not right thing, not right place on daily. It still can go. Yeah. This thing, the logo that I abandoned yesterday. And it's like doing something like this right now. Anyhow, let's see the biggest changes real quick. On daily. Ah, look at this guy. Yeah, this volume is weird, but if not for this volume, it would qualify for positive. What am I doing? What am I doing? Wasn't I in MRK recently. Where was I in it? Somewhere here. Didn't took the full to R. It would have made me full to R. And then boom. And then it didn't. Look at this. Look at this. See how I have it open. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone knows anything. Okay. Take care now, my friends. Fjord. Testing this up thrust now. Nike does something on its own. Yeah. Oh, it's perfectly makes sense. Look. Up thrust and then do-doom. Up thrust and then do-doom. Yeah. This guy looks like it's bouncing, but would never believe in anything like this. Okay, let's appropriate charging from here. Yeah, there's nothing that would suggest an exhaustion here at all. So, okay, let me take a look at Pfizer. Yeah, Pfizer, that doesn't go. Pfizer, that is Shizer. And broke. And look at this.